Hello everybody, my name is Davis and welcome back to another video, and today we're here for another severe weather breakdown. Now today we're going to be talking about an ongoing severe weather outbreak that will continue into the evening hours tonight. Additionally, we're going to be talking about an upcoming severe weather outbreak that could bring tornadoes, damaging winds, large hail, and even flooding rains to a certain portion of the United States. So let's go ahead and get right into it, starting off with the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today, where we have two slight risks of severe weather, one of them including portions of South in North Carolina, and the other including parts of Florida and Georgia. Alright, tornado threat for today. If you're in either of the brown areas, you have a 5% chance to see a tornado in your town. If you're in the green area, you have a 2% chance to see a tornado in your town. So have a tornado action plan in place. Know where you're going to go if a tornado warning is issued. Damaging wind threat. If you're in the yellow area, you have a 15% chance to see wind gusts of 60 miles per hour or higher in your town. If you're in the brown area, you have a 5% chance to see wind gusts of 60 miles per hour or higher in your town. So also know where to go if there are damaging winds coming your way. Usually it's going to be a similar shelter that you would want to use for a tornado safe space. Hail threat. If you're in either of those brown areas, you have a 5% chance to see hail 1 inch or larger in your town today. Hail is really more of a tertiary threat. It's not that big of a deal. Alright, so moving on to tomorrow, we have no risks of severe weather, and going into Monday here, we have no risks of severe weather. Tuesday, no risks of severe weather. Wednesday, no risks of severe weather. But we go all the way into Thursday and we see we have a day 6 slight risk of severe weather for parts of northeast Texas and southeastern Oklahoma. This is going to be an all hazards in play kind of situation, and I don't want to sit here and say it's going to be an outbreak because we don't know that yet, but there is a very high chance that this could be a concerning storm considering how many ingredients are top notch for tornado production. Okay, so on Thursday, this area here needs to really be looking out from Austin, Texas, all the way back into southeastern Oklahoma. Definitely be sure to monitor Thursday's weather very closely, okay? So going on to what the models are showing for this upcoming storm, right? Right now we got all this moisture in the eastern United States. That'll move out of here, maybe some snow in the northeast, and then around Wednesday we can start to see our storm build for parts of the south central United States, maybe some rain, some thunderstorms, nothing too major. But we go into Thursday here and we see that threat does pick up quite a bit for severe weather for northeast Texas, southeast Oklahoma. This model, specifically the GFS, is showing some thunderstorms for western Arkansas as well. And then they're also showing quite a bit of stuff for Friday here for portions of Arkansas, Mississippi, Tennessee, Louisiana, Alabama, Georgia, and maybe even Florida, similar to what we just saw today. Okay, so after that, we may see another round of that go in the next week, around the 16th and the 17th, maybe even the 18th. Expect some severe weather down there, and then maybe even another wave. The kind of pattern that we are in right now is one where the Deep South gets storm after storm because Gulf of Mexico moisture and moisture from the Central Plains are meeting, and they are causing some major problems here for the Deep South, alright? So, most of these systems also will take a northeasterly track after they reach Georgia and Florida and create some snow for the northeast. So we'll have to watch out for that too. After that, it's kind of hard to forecast this far out because we're going over 330 hours out, so nothing you're saying is going to be accurate, right? So moving on to the watches, warnings, and advisories, we have a tornado watch in effect for parts of southeastern Georgia and northeastern Florida here for a little bit. Let me go ahead and see how long that is in effect for. It was issued earlier this morning whenever storms, or actually kind of last night whenever storms were firing off. But at the minute, it looks like it has about an hour left. All right, so it's not going to be in effect for much longer. We do have some severe thunderstorm warnings down there for storms that are capable of producing 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and perhaps penny-sized hail, so look out for that. An isolated spin-up tornado could happen down here. We've seen quite a few tornadoes today, so look out for that. And then we've got some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings up in the northeast for this major winter system here that is already bringing heavy snow and ice accumulations to parts of New York, Vermont, even New Hampshire a little bit, okay? So we're really going to have to watch that, especially as we go into tonight. When the temperatures take a dip, we are going to see quite a bit of snow action, okay? So if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Remember, Thursday is this big day we're watching for severe weather. I will be going live covering severe weather on Thursday because this storm, in my opinion, is looking very concerning, all right? I would not rule out an enhanced risk getting issued with this storm, and I know it's really, I cannot speak. I know it's really early out, but Honestly, if a moderate risk was issued, that would not shock me. A 4 out of 5 risk, that is. So, again, I don't want to confirm anything yet, but I'm guessing an enhanced risk will probably be in place for this event. All right, so anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.